Alright, so we're in the cab of the 41, and we can see that the original temperature gauge, ooh, I don't like that, there's a glare, there we go, no glare there. Alright, we can see that the temp gauge is up about 170, 175 degrees Fahrenheit. I installed a 160 degree thermostat today. I want this engine to run at a consistent higher temperature than 120. I also installed a rebuilt carburetor and a correct air cleaner for a 40 through 46 Chevy truck. Air cleaner is in unbelievably great shape. The guy bought it from off the eBay, did a nice job of cleaning it up. The horsehair or the jute fiber inside is still viable and good and supple. I don't have any oil in it, but looks good. We don't have any fuel drippage from the inlet to the carburetor. Coolant is up. Let's see if I can get in there. Yep, coolant's all the way up. It's a little warm. So things are looking good. Things are looking real good. And she sounds happy. So I need to continue to pressure wash the engine compartment. The engine's still really crusty. And there's still a lot of junk down on there, but I'm just going to continue to let it run and exercise it a bit. I'm going to start ordering tires. And we'll see what happens from there. But everything's looking out to be really good. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.